Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to do this video a little bit differently, a little bit less of me talking and more just kind of showing you some things that bring me peace and joy in my garden. Mostly this video is going to be focused on a lot of the flowers that are blooming. As you can see, it's a really pretty day, it's early fall, and a lot of things are bloom in my garden right now. So just wanted to share a nice little relaxing, peaceful video with you guys. Flowers are so important in the garden, even if you're a vegetable gardener, just because it offers not only pollinator attraction, but also it helps bring beauty to your garden. It also helps create a much more peaceful and relaxing place. And it also helps balance the natural ecosystem of your garden with beneficial insects and also can help with pest control. So enough of me talking. I'm going to show you a couple of the things that are really bringing joy and beauty to my garden. I just wanted to share that with you today. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.